Turn the PS3 over. Remove the screws securing the hard drive. Replace the front face plate, revealing the hard drive. Remove the hard drive. Remove the 6 screws on the perimeter of the PS3. On the front of the PS3, there are 3 screws that can be removed by a special star screwdriver. Flip the PS3 back over. Firmly grip the PS3 on both sides. Lift with your index finger and slowly pull up. Please visit accessorywave.com and stop by our Facebook page at facebook.com/accessorywave and follow us on Twitter at accessorywave.